Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with Honor Magic 5 Lite, and this time I'll be showing you how to turn on the screen lock sound. Okay, so when you first get the phone and take it out of the box, it's off. So as you can see, there's no sound coming from the screen lock. It's totally silent. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to turn it on if you prefer to have the sound coming from the screen lock each time you lock and unlock the device. Okay, so to enable it, just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says sounds and vibration. And then scroll down to where it says more settings down here at the bottom. And here you will see screen lock. So just go ahead and turn on the toggle switch. And now when you lock the phone and unlock it, you will hear the sound. And that's how you do it, guys. So yeah, this was just my quick video showing you how to enable the screen lock sound on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. If this video helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.